Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2012 International Terrastar we have for sale. It's got 70,000 miles on it, just turned 70,000. It's got 11-foot maintainer bed, 7,000-pound maintainer crane, and a hydraulic air compressor, RC40. I believe that's a Van Air. Maintainer puts their name on it, but I think it's a Van Air compressor. Got all your books and stuff here. Allison transmission, max force, international diesel engine. The nicest service bed you can put on a work truck or service truck is a maintainer bed. I'm sorry, I don't care what anybody says, they are the nicest. Also the most expensive, but they're worth it, I think. Nice rear work bumper. This right here on the bed looks like a tire blew out or something. We were actually going to straighten it out and forgot about it, but it could easily be fixed, and we might fix it before you buy it, get the truck. Just depends if we have time or not. I wanted to point that out. It's not a big deal, but compressor has 166 hours on it. $70,860 on the miles. Power in your PTO, and you rev the idle up right here, hit on, and then hit sail. Turn your compressor on here. To work your outriggers, you have to pull that valve and work them right there to the right. I'm going to let them down. See, they're down. Trying to hurry up here, starting to rain on me. You got work lights everywhere, you got compartment lights. Those are some of the brightest work lights I've seen. Got work lights in there, compartment lights, whatever you want to call it. Get the crane going here. Alright, I'm just going to show you the basic stuff on the crane real quick. The up, down, winch down. Side to side. And the crane is proportioned with the button. The harder you push the button, the more the crane, the faster the crane goes. Winch up. Let's see. I'm gonna set my phone down for a minute and close all these compartments because it's starting to rain. Have the crane sitting down exactly right. This thing's got an alarm. If you don't sit it in there, it'll beep. Alright, if you're interested in this truck, give us a call, 256-310-6852. If you're looking out of state and you want to buy this truck, we can have it shipped straight to your door. On a truck like this, figure $1.50 a mile. This is a heavy, heavy truck. Our website is heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out a bunch of pictures of it. To be a big truck, this thing, it drives good. It's not bouncy or shaking or nothing like that, which it's only got 70,000 miles. So if you're interested, give us a call, 256-310-6852. heavymetalauto.com. Again, it's a 12 International Terrastar. It's got 70,000 miles, maintainer bed, 7,000 pound crane, hydraulic air compressor, hydraulic outriggers. Really nice setup. Thanks for watching.